Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today, we're diving into something that pushes the boundaries of what we expect from a performance brand. The 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is a bold fusion of muscle car heritage and long-haul practicality, a vehicle that wants to blend iconic design with the freedom of the open road. It's an ambitious attempt to turn the spirit of the Mustang into something that not only excites, but also accommodates a lifestyle on the move. Let's explore how Ford has transformed a name so deeply rooted in performance into a machine designed for power, comfort, and adventure. From the outside, the Mustang Motorhome is unmistakable. You'll recognize design cues borrowed from the coupe and the Mach-E, translated into a much larger form. The front fascia carries an aggressive stance, with a wide grille framed by sharp LED headlights that resemble the eyes of a predator. The hood still carries those muscular creases, reminding you that this is a Mustang at heart, even if it's stretched into a body designed for utility. The side profile shows its dual identity: aerodynamic sculpting paired with a taller, extended frame that provides the volume needed for living space. At the rear, triple-bar taillights pay tribute to the classic pony car lineage, and a rear overhang that integrates a motorhome hatch feels cohesive rather than tacked on. Optional 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in touring-focused tires complete the road-ready appearance. Unlike many bulky RVs, the Mustang Motorhome feels designed, not just built. It has presence, sporty yet functional, confident yet practical. Step inside, and the interior instantly shifts the mood from aggressive styling to luxurious relaxation. The driver's cockpit is pure modern Ford, with a digital instrument cluster, a 15-inch central touchscreen, and smart connectivity features. But beyond the front seats lies the real transformation. The living space is lined with premium materials, soft leather seating that doubles as a lounge, accent panels finished in brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting customizable to match your vibe. There's a compact, yet well-equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, refrigerator, and clever storage solutions that keep everything secure while driving. A fold-out dining area can comfortably seat 4, doubling as a workspace for those who live and travel on the go. Sleeping arrangements in the Mustang Motorhome don't feel like an afterthought. A queen-sized bed occupies the rear with memory foam, comfort, and built-in USB-C charging ports. Above the driver's cab, a secondary sleeping loft provides room for guests or kids. The bathroom is compact but fully functional, with a rainfall shower head, efficient water management, and even a touch of Mustang branding on the fixtures. Every inch of the interior has been designed with usability in mind, but it still manages to carry forward that Mustang sense of boldness. Performance is where this vehicle really stakes its claim as something new in the motorhome market. Instead of being powered by a sluggish diesel like many RVs, the 2026 Mustang Motorhome is offered with 2 drivetrain options. The first is a hybrid system pairing a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine with an electric motor for a combined 300 horsepower. It delivers smooth, efficient cruising with enough torque to handle long highway climbs without breaking a sweat. The second, more exciting option is a fully electric variant derived from the Mustang Mach-E GT platform, with dual motors producing around 480 horsepower and instant torque. That means a 0 to 60 mph time in under 6 seconds. Outrageous for a motorhome. But it's not just about speed. It's about effortless power delivery that makes towing, merging, and overtaking feel almost effortless. The ride itself is remarkably composed thanks to adaptive suspension and Ford's attention to chassis tuning. You don't get the wallowy, top-heavy feel of many RVs. Instead, there's a stability and confidence that comes from Mustang DNA. Braking is handled by oversized discs with regenerative capabilities in the EV version, further improving range. Speaking of range, the hybrid is expected to offer up to 600 miles on a full tank and charge, while the full EV motorhome delivers around 280-300 miles per charge, more than enough for a day's travel before plugging into a fast-charging network. And now we come to pricing. The Mustang Motorhome is not positioned as a budget vehicle, but Ford has tried to keep it competitive within the luxury RV space. The hybrid model starts around $120,000, while the all-electric version begins closer to $160,000. Fully optioned with custom interiors, advanced driver assist features, and upgraded living amenities, prices can approach $200,000. While that's a serious investment, it's worth remembering that you're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying a unique fusion of performance, heritage, and practical freedom. To sum it up, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is unlike anything we've seen before. It takes the bold styling and performance spirit of the Mustang, stretches it into a package capable of cross-country travel, and gives buyers a taste of both worlds. It's sporty yet livable, powerful yet efficient, and ambitious in a way that makes you rethink what a motorhome can be. For Mustang fans who also crave adventure, this could be the ultimate dream machine. Thanks for watching this deep dive review here at KK Autos.